Hello everyone. So in this new series, I'll be explaining how to write mains answer, and per video there will be one mains question. Okay, I'll be telling you how to write, how to structure the answer, and that too in word limit. Okay, word limit with the required facts. जो facts चाहिए आंसर के enrichment के लिए I'll be telling. So the first question for today's lecture is, what are the views of B.R Ambedkar on religion? Religion के ऊपर उनका क्या views था and उनका क्या विचार था? Okay. So B.R Ambedkar was a social reformer, jurist, author, a scholar of comparative religious and thinker. In his book Annihilation in Caste, he explained that a religion must comprise of principles, not rules. He felt that Hinduism has number of orthodox list of rules which promoted casteism and discrimination of Dalits or depressed classes. So, see, first of all, the structure is you have to write a intro. Okay, you have to write an intro, and that introduction should be linked to the topic which is asked in question. You simply cannot write B.R. Ambedkar was a you cannot write anything other than what is asked. Like it is asked here, the religion के बारे में लिखना है, so the intro should be in sync with this topic. So what I did is, one line you can write, he is a social reformer, jurist, author, and but from here in his book Annihilation of Caste, how he has linked caste to religion. So he explained कि religion must comprise of principles and not rules. उसमें principles की जरूरत है, rules की जरूरत नहीं है. And he also felt कि Hinduism has number of orthodox list of rules which promoted casteism. क्योंकि काफी सारा ऑर्थोडॉक्सी था हिंदुइज्म में, तो इसीलिए वही चीज कास्टिज्म को प्रमोट किया, एंड that led to discrimination of depressed classes. So what we are doing here in the introduction is we are giving a viewpoint कि अंबेडकर का रिलीजन के ऊपर यही व्यू था. Then we can do the analysis. Okay. So introduction should be kind of a preface of a book, like what the examiner can expect in the analysis. We are just giving a brief idea. Then we can we can substantiate this intro in our analysis with the form of factual data. It will be kind of a justification. We are justifying it, what he said, and then you can go for conclusion. Fine. So we're done with intro. Now coming to the analysis part. In analysis part, he advocated complete annihilation of caste. Okay, complete, which was against Gandhi. Gandhiji wanted reform of caste system, but he wanted complete annihilation, like complete destruction of caste system, because it prevailed, which prevailed in Hinduism. He did not want any reform within the religion, which was in contrast with Gandhiji. No need to write here because the question is not asked about Gandhiji and B.R. Ambedkar's difference. We have to simply write he did not want any reform within the religion. We have complete annihilation of caste. Second point, on this belief, he publicly burned and condemned the Manusmriti text in 1927 for being justifying Brahmanical dominance and untouchability. Because in Manusmriti, in a way, it justified the caste system, which was from Vedic era, right? And Manusmriti justified that. So he publicly burned it. So Manusmriti Dahan Din is celebrated 25th December every year. So here we are giving a factual data, which is justifying our point. Okay. Third. So in third point, to break the shackles of caste system, he led some satyagraha, maybe a Mahad Satyagraha, Kalaram Satyagraha, where access to Dalits for drinking water, temple entry movement. Now, temple entry movement is also religious in nature, right? So it is also justifying our fact, the question. Now, after diagnosing Hinduism a religion of inequality, he diagnosed and he had a diagnosis of Hinduism, and he told that this is a religion of inequality. So he converted to Buddhism with his followers. That was the Dalit Buddhist movement. After independence, he did it during his later years. So this was not to reject religion. He did not reject Hinduism. He wanted a better religion, and he thought Buddhism is a better religion because Buddhism has no caste system, right? So he did not reject the Hinduism religion as a whole. He simply wanted a more just religion. So this was not to reject the religion, but to actually arrive at more just and righteous religion. Now, next point, he believed that revolution is the mother of philosophy. That is, history of all religions is the history of revolutions occurred at a particular period of time. So, religion should evolve with modernity. So, he had a very positive or a modern approach. Ki every religion should evolve with modernity. Okay. Next, he also saw the dream of secular society. Secular society also is connected to religion. He recommended the adoption of a uniform civil code. In 1951, he advocated that UCC should be done. That is same civil laws for all religions. Today we do not have the same civil laws for Hindus, Christians, Muslims, Sikhs. We have different civil laws. Criminal laws is the same, but civil laws we have different. So he was the one who recommended. Till now, it's not yet adopted, but he was the one who recommended the Uniform Civil Code in 1951. His opinion was that religion should not be given a vast expanse jurisdiction, as it will lead to inequalities, discriminations, which will in turn conflict with our fundamental rights. Yes, if Hindus, Muslims, Christians, Sikhs, everyone have their own civil laws, right? Inheritance laws are different, marriage laws are different. So it means we are giving a very vast, expansive jurisdiction. So for Hindu, it can be anything. So for Muslims, it can be another thing. For Christians, it can be another thing. So here, it is against equality. It will lead to discriminations. So it will lead to inequalities, discriminations, which in turn will affect our fundamental rights also. Fundamental right of equality, fundamental right to life and dignity, Article 21. So he was the one who said this. So obviously it is also related to religion, because he said that every religion should not be given a vast expansive jurisdiction. There should be one jurisdiction for everyone. Okay. So we are giving in this answer, we are giving a very dynamic answer. Like we are putting with uniform civil code. Okay. We are putting with modernity. We are putting with the Manusmriti. We are putting with the conversion of Hinduism to Buddhism. So various points we're adding it in one answer. Okay, so the answer becomes holistic, and that too also we're adding it in a word limit. Every point has one sentence or two sentences, but it is explaining each and everything in a very short and smart way. Fine. So finally, what you can write in conclusion: Dr. B.R. Ambedkar never thought religion as an useless institute. Religion is very much important. What he lamented was the absence of a critical, scientific and rationality that makes religion a stagnant water. He felt that religion पे scientific नहीं है, logical thinking नहीं है, criticality नहीं है, rationality नहीं है, and that was required to make religion more holistic. Okay, thank you.